Are you worn out by the 9 to 5 grind and yearning for something more? Imagine a world where you're not bound by the confines of a traditional job, a world where your income doesn't depend solely on the whims of an employer. This might sound like a dream, but it's a reality for many who have discovered the power of passive income. Passive income, by definition, is earnings derived from a rental property, limited partnership, or other enterprise in which a person is not actively involved. In simpler terms, it's money that you make while you sleep. The potential of this strategy is immense, offering not only financial freedom, but also the flexibility to live life on your terms. Traditional employment, while a reliable source of income for many, often comes with limitations. It's a time for money exchange, where your earnings are directly tied to the hours you work. But with passive income, you can break free from this cycle and start building long-term wealth. So, are you ready to explore the world of passive income? First up on our list is affiliate marketing. Picture this: you're partnering with brands and businesses within the content of your own website or social media. When your followers purchase the product or service through your referral link, you earn a commission. It's a win-win. The beauty of affiliate marketing is its scalability and flexibility. You choose what products to promote, and with consistent effort, your earnings can grow over time. Affiliate marketing is a simple way to start your passive income journey. Next, let's talk about drop shipping. Essentially, this is a retail fulfillment model where you, as the store owner, don't keep the products you sell in stock. Instead, when a customer purchases an item, you order it from a third party who then ships it directly to the customer. This method offers scalability and flexibility, as well as the potential for long-term wealth accumulation. Imagine earning while you sleep, all because of your online store. With drop shipping, you could build an empire without ever touching a product. Now let's explore the world of dividend stocks. Picture a tree that bears fruit each season. Dividend stocks mirror this concept, with the company being the tree and the dividends being the fruit. By investing in a company that pays dividends, you're effectively purchasing an income-generating asset. These dividends, usually paid quarterly, can be reinvested or taken as cash. It's a strategy that offers potential for long-term wealth accumulation. Dividend stocks, a classic and proven route to passive income. But wait, there's more. The world of passive income is rich and diverse, offering a myriad of opportunities just waiting to be tapped into. Let's continue our exploration with the fourth passive income stream: digital products. These could be ebooks, photography, or music. And the beauty of this stream is once your product is out there, it continues to generate income with little to no maintenance. Next up, consider rental properties. Real estate is a time-tested avenue for passive income. It may require a significant initial investment, but the long-term returns can be substantial, especially if you're renting out to reliable tenants. Our sixth stream is peer-to-peer lending. This is where you lend your money to individuals or small businesses in return for interest. It's a win-win situation. They get the funding they need, and you get a steady stream of income. Don't underestimate the power of the written word. Blogging is our seventh passive income stream. If you have a knack for writing and a topic you're passionate about, you can monetize your blog through advertising, sponsored posts, or by selling your own products or services. Now, let's talk about YouTube. You might not become the next viral sensation, but with consistent quality content, you can build an audience and monetize your channel through ad revenue and brand partnerships. Ninth on our list is online courses. If you're an expert in a particular field, why not share your knowledge and earn from it? With platforms like Udemy and Coursera, it's easier than ever to create and sell your own course. Finally, we have print-on-demand products. This involves partnering with a supplier to customize white label products like t-shirts or mugs with your own designs. When a customer buys, the supplier handles production and shipping while you earn a profit. As you can see, the opportunities for passive income are wide and varied. So, we've explored 10 passive income streams, each with their unique benefits. Let's take a moment to summarize what we've learned. Firstly, we discussed affiliate marketing, a method where you promote other companies' products and earn a commission. It's a great way to start if you have a strong online presence, offering scalability and flexibility. Next, we delved into drop shipping, a retail fulfillment method where a store doesn't keep the products it sells in stock. Instead, when a store sells a product, it purchases the item from a third party and has it shipped directly to the customer. It's a fantastic way to dip your toes into the world of e-commerce without a hefty upfront investment. We then looked into investing in dividend stocks, a strategy that involves buying shares in companies that pay dividends to their shareholders. This is a fantastic way to earn passive income and accumulate wealth over the long term. In addition, we covered 7 other passive income streams, including selling digital products, rental properties, peer-to-peer lending, blogging, creating a YouTube channel, selling online courses, and print-on-demand products. Each of these methods offers unique benefits and potential for income generation. Remember, the key to successful passive income is diversification. Spread your resources across different income streams to maximize your earning potential and reduce risk. The potential of passive income to provide financial freedom is immense. It gives you the flexibility to work when you want, where you want, and how you want. It's a journey to break free from the confines of traditional employment and explore the vast opportunities that the online world presents. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you won't miss our next wealth building video. Share your passive income experiences in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you.